Morning team, it's a new month. It's Wednesday, November 1st. We got FOMC tonight. It's 7 p.m. because USA time hasn't changed it yet. It's gonna change, I think, this weekend. So, well, there are other news. Honestly, I think being bank holiday in Europe, many countries like I think Italy, Spain, France, it's bank holiday, and FOMC tonight. I'm not sure we're gonna get a lot of price action in the London Open. Maybe New York Open something, but like you see, look how many countries. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, all these countries have everything closed, so I don't know. I don't expect much. Let's go to check charts. Okay, weekly, monthly just open, and last month closes a doji. Okay, yes, it's a raid, but it doesn't tell me much. Just that the buyers and sellers are like pretty much balanced right now here. Okay, then weekly, if you ask me, the high of the week is in. I mean, this type of rejection, we knew. I mean, okay, yesterday I said that I was wrong to be bearish, but in the end I was not so wrong, because when they sent it the price so down so much, rated the low and then pushed again, somehow this support was giving up, you know. If price was like really bullish, this support should have held and print a higher high. Instead, look at this rejection. I think that this is now liquidity. What I called here as a raid, which was a raid, now looks liquidity to me. And I know it can sound like, hey, Francesco, you change your opinion a lot. Yes, I change my opinion a lot. I'm a day trader, and if I see some nasty rejection like this one of 100 pips in one day, I change my bias. You know, euro is like choppy. You know, it's choppy. It's not like look at this, choppy, chop, 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 trend, chop, 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 trend, chop, 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 chop. This is what I see now. Consolidation, expansion, expansion, consolidation, expansion, consolidation, little expansion, expansion, consolidation. So you got to play what you see. You know, I don't want to be like, no, we're gonna go to 84, we're gonna go. My prediction are always like on the same day, I think. Anyway, whatever. Now I see this one as liquidity. I think that this is the high of the week, and I think these lows are next, if you ask me. Look at this BMS. This low made a new high, like a big BMS bullish, and then instantly broke it. Same thing on H1. H12 somehow is still up. You can arguably say that it's still bullish, but I don't think so. Personally, I think these lows need to go. Now, are they gonna go today? Who knows? I think if they take it, they're gonna take it in FOMC, not before FOMC, because I don't see much price action to happen soon. On hourly, the areas of interest I like it are these ones. This or the block. Why? Because we pushed a lot, came down, tried to save hourly, and then finally somebody here sold enough to push it. An impulsive move, you know. Look at this. This is like 60 pips move, fair value gap. So yes, this breaker is interesting too, and this bearish of the block. I like this one more than the breaker. Anyway. We clean the low. You know, I'm a big fan of flat top and low. We clean it. H12, H4, we clean it, and we push the needle. Let me see on other feeds. Yeah, there is a flat low everywhere. So yeah, I like it. And yeah, like I mean, if we go back up here, I would love to look for shorts in this area. That said, we are still in a H12 bullish of the block, so be be skeptical to short blindly, you know. We are still at high time frame support. Also, as we said, we are still at daily support, no? Yeah, it's not like a daily order block, but it's kind of support. At least it's H12 support, you know. So yeah, let's go to low time frame. This is the same thing I saw on H1, exactly the same, but on M15. Sorry. Yes, I see liquidity here. I think they're gonna go for this in FOMC. I also like this level, which is a breaker somehow. Yeah, maybe. It's a little bit far, no? It's full of the, yeah. Yeah, one of these two areas are interesting to look for shorts in my opinion. But as always, as we come in from a valid support, I cannot blindly short here. I could if I have really strong bias, which right now I have to be honest, I have strong bias. I mean, I can see a short like this. If I see the price going that up like this, I can see a short like that. That we go back up here. If we break this one and we go here, I can see a 3R. You know, like send it up and go down. I can see that totally. And there's strong bias, but yeah, if I play something here, I should be like with big stop loss, something like that, like 40 pips stop loss, which I have no issues at all to play that. It's a slow play, but usually I like to be at charts and to see a developing new setup fresh here or here, and from there work with it. So yes, that's enough for me for today. As I said, I have bearish bias on hourly, but I can also see if we do something like this. Look at this. We are generating this liquidity right now, no? Here, okay? This is stupid. This has to go at some point. I can also take a long, you know. If I see something like this, we go down. Raid. Big fat rejection. And then we go higher. We break like a couple of structure here, you know, a couple of BMS. I will be allowed to play longs. Something like this will make my longs doable. Also, somehow this order block is kind of untested, you know. I can see that. A scalp long, we are still in H12 support. Even if the flow is extremely bearish, I would like to take that. No problem at all. Anyway, that's enough for me for today. As always, I'm gonna post more charts later in the Telegram group. So, speak to you tomorrow. Bye. Yeah, bye.